My name is Valentina Longo and I'm in charge of new product development for Cosmetic Architects. Always have been passionate about beauty as well as business and sales. This is why I decided to study economics in a famous international university and dreaming about working in cosmetics, and that happened. I started as a product developer, as a product manager in some of the most influencing beauty brands on the last years, and this is where I learned how complicated as well as important the product is. What a cosmetic architect will do is really to look at all those aspects in order to make sure that the product is completely fitting the brand and the business that the client has in mind. We will start with the market analysis in order to understand exactly where and how to position the product and which is the right product to propose. We will look at trends and innovation. After that, we are developing a brief that will insert and consider all those information, active ingredients, colors, kind of packaging, all the little details. And then we are going to study on the price positioning and also target cost. After that, we will be able to define the feasibility of the project, if it can meet the needs of the client or not. After that, there is a preliminary phase. We are going to pass in the secondary phase, in which we will look in details to different aspects. First of all, formulation is one of the most sensitive aspects of all the product, of course, and that's to be considered in terms of quality, performances, stability, and regulation. All those aspects has to be studied in order to be perfect. Packaging is very important as well, because it has to improve the usage experience of the consumers and can be helping exactly make the difference in one product, as well as to be secure and guarantee the transportation, conservation of the bulk, and be able actually to keep the product safe. Second, the emballage, transportation, all those other aspects are part of the product development. An approach 360 degrees is really guaranteeing the fact that the development of the product can run smoothly and easily and in time. What is really important to understand is that developing a product can be a really complex and a complicated road. This is why having a 360 approach that is sustained by long experience can anticipate problems and actually avoiding them, making the process more easy and also less time consuming. A big experience can also helping on taking better decision, and this is our services that we offer to our client, is to stay by their side step by step in all the decision, in all the process, in order to be able to take the right decision and not regret after the time. The role of NPD in the cosmetic industry is I will say, most important role at the moment, also because of two different aspects. First of all, the product is really becoming the king, because it's really what is doing the difference. In this kind of market where very versatile, very dynamic, people stay with what they like. So in order to guarantee a successful brand, it's really important to provide a successful product that likes and convinces people. This is also why making a great product can take a very long time. At the same time, as you know, we are in a very flexible and dynamic market where every day new brands are launching new products. So one of the key is to be faster, smarter, more diverse, and try to always find the product that can surprise the customers. As you can see, we are in a competition with different work. From one side, we want to be perfect, precise, and having a really high quality. From other side, we need to be innovative and fast. The only solution that we have to meet our target then is to merge and have a much more optimized way of working. Putting together the experience of people that are working in the field, they are completely dedicated to that, can really help on speeding up the process. As well, having experience can avoid to make mistake and reducing time. Be always on the market, update, can provide innovation fast and deliver it also fast on the market. To a new brand, I will definitely advise not to underestimate the complexity of developing a new product. Making an idea successful means to have the right way of executing them, and the startups knows about this. At the same time, while we develop a cosmetic product, it's not as easy as developing a t-shirt of fashion maybe, because there are, as we said before, also many aspects to be taken under consideration. And I know that this can and might bring down the excitement for the brands of proceeding in their journey. So my advice is like, don't lose the hope, don't lose the excitement, keep it high, and just be ready of following the advice of more expert people, and just also start slowly. In case start just with one product and make it done, take the time to see and to learn the process. To a brand that wants to expand further, I would really recommend to be flexible and to be open. What do I mean? I mean that the market is really becoming super dynamic, volatile, and versatile. And to stay successful is super important to keep on innovating, to keep the line dynamic and offering new products. Sometimes may also happen that after, for example, a decade of life of a brand, it will be needed to change something. Because of the market that has changed, because of the other brands that are entering in the market. But what I recognize sometimes, entrepreneurs and owners, they might become too attached to their creation. So they might maybe have a little bit of difficulties on see another opportunity for their brand, or see how this brand can evolve in a different situation. In this case, I think it's really fundamental to keep an open mindset, to be humble in the sense of re-put yourself, the brand self, in discussion, and see if there are any other kind of opportunities, and be open on listening suggestion and advices of who in the market, other players in the market. Really, openness and humility can be the key for guarantee as the success of a brand.